Hello, welcome back to another video of atACC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use restaurant management system and its features. Restaurant management system is one of the attractive module in atACC, which have fully touch-enabled interface and many more features. So let's start the video. Like other modules, we have to create master files in order to start RMS. Masters like flow, table, modifier, waiter, delivery man. We can create RMS site itself. And if you need to create product group product, then we have to use atACC site or the backend. To create product and product group, you have to use masters product group. Here you can input product group name and group under. Even you can attach image if you need. It's already created product group, as for example. So just like this, you can complete product group creation. Now let's take a look for product creation. Here is the window we can create products. Here you can input name, product group, and all other basic details. Also, we have to enable menu item in order to list this particular product in RMS. If I disable it, it means it only visible in ERP side. So I just already created many products. As for example, it's already created a product and I attached the image, and I enabled menu item in order to visible the same product in RMS. So this is how you can create product and product group in ERP side. As for next step, we can create masters. First one is flow. You can input floor code, floor name, and even you can attach floor plan if you need. For example, I just already created one, just like this. You can create flow. And for a table, you can create table name. You can input table name, description, and you can attach floor for this particular table, number of chairs, just like this. Even you can attach image for the particular table. Next one is modifier. Modifier is a add-on but free of cost. For example, for a product, you can create modifier like this. You can simply type the text and you can click add now to save the modifier. So at the time of invoice, you can simply select that modifier along with KOT print. Next one is waiter. You can input waiter details like this. You can input all the detail. Even you can attach image for the particular waiter. It's already created two waiters here, just like this. You can simply save and continue. Delivery man, you have delivery option here. You can simply select or input a delivery man here. You can even select image for that particular delivery man. Already created one delivery man. So these are the masters you can create in RMS in order to transaction. So first one is dining. Like other transaction, all the interface are same except table selection for dining. As for an example, select table flow like that, and at the time of order, click the table and select number of seats. So total available seats 4, and among this I'm choosing 2. And here you can simply click your product and add one by one, just like this. And if you click any product which is having modifier, you can just simply click the modifier and it will add along with the product. So it will directly take you to the KOT print. So this is how you can add an order, and simply you can use plus and minus button to increase and decrease the product. And if you need to remove any product from the grid, then you can use delete button here, just like this. So let me add one more product, just like this. And you have many more options, like you can cancel the order once it is not confirmed. If you need to confirm the order, you can save order here and it will take the order print. Once it is finished, you can simply call again by using search button. You can click order here and it will list the token number, the table, everything. You can simply double click and add any more product. If you need to add any more product, you can just simply add even after you take KOT, just like this. And if you need to remove any ordered product, you can just simply click that line of product and you can simply cancel it. And you can enter cancelled reason, just like this, and simply cancelled reason, click OK. In order to remove this product, you have to click save order again, and you click order and it will be cancelled. And if you click again, you can see the cancelled row will be gone. And this is how you can use cancel a product. Okay, if you need to remove a entire product or entire bill, you can simply click and click more option, and you can delete accordingly and again delete the order. Anyway, this is our first step. You just ordered, and if you need to make the bill, you can simply click make bill, and you can take bill and give printout to customer. Again, if you call it by bill option here, actually the order completed, that's why it's transferred bill session, and you can click bill and you can see whether it is paid or not paid, and if it is paid it will show the amount. Simply I'm selecting it. And if you need to collect like cash, card, e-wallet, you can simply select. Right now I'm using cash. Simply you can input the amount, you can confirm the order, and if you update it, it will complete the bill, and the table will be vacant. As you can see here, you can see all the table again refreshed. So this is how you can use dining. And we have also a discount option and service charge. We can add both. For example, taking an order, this particular chair. Let's see how we can add discount. For example, if you need to give discount, you can simply click and you can give discount, either discount percentage or discount amount. Even round off you can add. Example. Okay, this is how you can give a discount. And if you need to add service charge for this dining, you can simply click the button here. You can simply input your percentage or amount. If you need to fix a percentage, you can simply go to the settings and you can fix the percentage. That's how you can input service charge for this particular product. Okay, and we have option like virtual keyboard here and number keypad. Also you can see round of details, totals, and we have many more options like print, hold, delete, note. If you need to give any note for this particular order, you can simply click note and input details, preparation notes, something like that. You can just simply click it in. For example, simply normal here. If you take KOT, it will take along with the KOT printer. So this is how you can use notes. And if you need to add hold and retrieve to this order, you can simply click hold here. It will be holded. Whenever you need to retrieve that, you can simply select under holder. Simply you can hold and retrieve any order or bill. So if you need to merge any two bills, you can simply click merge, and it will ask to confirm. You can simply click, and simply if you have any more tables, you can simply select other table in order to merge. Just like that, you can simply merge or two tables in one bill, and that's how you can use all the settings. Moreover, we have a special note, date, and print while saving. Even you can select your ledgers by clicking cash account. You can select a credit sales by using debtors. Just like this, you can create dining. So this is how we can use dining and its transaction. As for next, we have takeaway. It's another transaction. Just add product, basic things, save order. Here, unlike dining, you can give mobile number by using your touch screen here, or simply you can use your keyboard. Just like this. And if you have vehicle number, you can input vehicle number, vehicle name, for example, and you can simply save the order, just like this. And you can simply call the same method that we have done from dining. You can simply make the bill, confirm, and again you can call it under bill, or you can just click delivery or takeaway like this. Okay. So just clicking again, and I can update by collecting the amount, just like this, and we can update. And this is how you can use takeaway. So all the difference is you can give mobile number and vehicle number for particular. Next one, delivery. Delivery have same concept, the same interface, and let's try an example. Same product. For saving order, you can select, you can input customer name, mobile number, location and address, and name, test, mobile number, random mobile number, and location, for example, just one. Just like this, you can just simply save the details of this particular transaction. So all other the same concept goes for dining and takeaway. Here you can use delivery address. If you need, you can input delivery address. If you need to change your service provider, you can simply select your provider, Uber Eats, EatUp, like that. You can simply add it under debtors by using atACC ERP, and it will come here. So you can simply click the provider. If you have a delivery man, you can simply select your delivery man here. You can change your waiter if you need, you can change it accordingly, and all others are same. You can simply select the details, and that's how this transaction works. The next one is drive-through. As you can see, we need vehicle details now to fill. So, example, you can make an order. It will ask mobile number, vehicle number, everything. You can fill accordingly. You can save the order just like the modules. And next one is quick serve. Quick serve, don't need any further details, simply click and serve, just like a POS, just like a fast service. You can just simply confirm the order and make bill accordingly by searching using serve. You can make the bill, confirm by collecting the payment, just like this. This comes under the bill. You can just select the payment and all, and simply select accordingly. Input the card number here. You can simply select it and you can update. So these are the major transactions we have in RMS. And next one is booking. Here you can use booking date, to fetch details of customer, mobile number, email, and booking date and time. You can simply select your table of booking. Example, I'm booking 4 tables here, and you can save it accordingly. And if you fill all this detail, you can save it, and you can select you can see the report of booking here, and simply you can see all the details of booking on this. And apart from all these transactions, we have a simple method that everything combined in a single transaction window, KOT. For example, if I open KOT, all other things are same concept, adding product, everything. And if I click save, it will list all type of KOT. So here you can choose which type you need to perform. So this is a single window transaction. So if I click dining, it will take the table and details. If I click takeaway, it will ask to enter all the details like vehicle, mobile number, like that. So here we can use KOT type select. So for example, it's like this. In a single transaction, you can use all these transactions in a single window like KOT here. And this is how the transaction works. And we have reports. First one, close cash report. Simply select close cash. If you need to select the waiter, you can choose your waiter and select branch. You can select date and time, and you can simply click the preview, and you can see total cash, total credit, total card sales, everything here, cash in hand and everything. And simply you can take a print out if you need. Close cash here. And if you need to make see a sales reports here, you can simply select all the criteria you need. For example, branch here, and you can select build here. You can select the date, summary, and click the preview. I can see the report like this. And if it is detailed report, you can see a detailed report like this. The product, serial number, everything be there. And when it is consolidated, you can simply click and see the consolidated. All the product and the quantity will be on bottom side. You can simply take the print if you need. So the next one is a booking report. If you need to see the booking report, you can select date from and to. You can choose your table detail, and you can click active, inactive, or status all. You can see booking report. So these are the major reports we have. And next one is product wise report. You can simply select any product. For example, you can simply select build here. You can select all of the details and click preview if you have, and you have to select the branch here. You can see the report accordingly. And finally, we have close session report. If you enable option like session management and open while login, and if you have different users, you can log in by using their username and password, for example. And whenever you log in, and it will show enter the balance of cash drawer, you can simply input cash drawer and you can start the session. Now a user can make transaction that they want, just like this. You can save it, simply putting vehicle name and number, and complete. Just making a bill by using a quick transaction, just like this. Payment, just like this. Just made a transaction. So after a transaction or after a day end, if they need to end their session, they can simply use close session. Here you can choose the username, and here they can input, open cash. It will be automatically listed here. You can simply input cash collected, card collected. If there is any remark, they can input remark, and they can simply click and close their session, just like this. Very easy. They can update it, and if they need to show the report, they can simply click yes, and they can see all the details, just like this. And the report look like this. They can have date from, date to, and type of transaction, everything. Consolidate report here, and they can simply log out. So whenever admin can log in, they can check a previous session report, just like this. For example, they can simply log in, they can search and select employee, and they can see all the sessions here. So each time, each date will be there. You can simply double click and click show note to see the previous session report of any user. So this is the closed session report. And finally, settings. You can see settings. Here we have many sessions. For settings, you can select default waiter depot by selecting waiters, depot by selecting search option. You can set any default criteria here. And session 2 have group printing mapping. You can simply select group printer here. Simply select the group, simply select your printer, just like this. You can add one by one. And we have KOT rate type mapping, multi-rate, just like that. You can simply select KOT type. If you need to change any rate, multiple rates for this particular KOT, you can change it accordingly. And if you have users, you can simply select your user. You can give criteria which they need to see and which they need to block. So here just tick all the option you need, and you can simply block anything that they cannot delete. Then you can disable delete or print, just like that. You can simply confirm the user settings. And service providers, if you have debtors, it will list here. You can simply select whichever is providers, you simply enable that's provider, and you can complete. And we have many more settings like this based on a customer requirement. You can select accordingly. Section 3 here, you can simply select default printer for any type of KOT, and simply you can select the default user database server name, and simply whenever you open RMS application, it directly take to the database without selecting any other company. Default company settings here. And we have more option like this. You can simply enable QR code printing for Saudi Arabia latest update. You can simply enable if you need to include QR code in invoice. And we have many more option like product group image, font, colors, everything. Can change it accordingly. Simply add service charge account. You can simply create it from ERP side. You can simply select it accordingly, and you can fix percentage for service charge. You can fix percentage for packing and delivery charge here, and you can resize product image or resize floor image. And finally, we can set different bill formats for each KOT type. So simply you can make copy of any print format, and you can simply change accordingly. You can set format and you can confirm the print. So this is how you can use RMS, and this is the features what we have right now in restaurant management system.